Hey, it's Eugene. I want to talk to you today about winterizing your autofill. If your pool is a newer pool, your autofill is somewhere probably attached to a hose bib, and those hose bibs are susceptible to freezing. Every year we get calls that these things have frozen and broken. Unfortunately, that leads to some costly repairs. But winterizing these autofills is super simple. The autofill, just to give you a quick, simple explanation of how it works, is the hose bib supplies water to the autofill. Over on the side of the pool, somewhere around your pool, is a float mechanism similar to what you'd find in a toilet. As the water level in the pool drops, the plunger or the ball, the float, will go down. As it goes down, it turns on the water feed to add more water, and as it rises back up, because it's floating as the water's going up, that autofill or the valve is shut off, just like your toilet. And you don't really have to do anything here when it comes to winterizing, but I just wanted to show you how it works. Somewhere around your house, you're likely to find a PVC pipe that's coming out of the ground. And then from there, there's going to be a hose that's connected to your hose bib. So this is super simple. Let's just shut the hose bib off. That shuts off any new water being added to the system. And then let's disconnect the pipe or hose, whatever your system has. Let's disconnect that from the hose bib. Now, we recommend you get one of these insulated bonnets from Home Depot or Lowe's, and let's put that bonnet on top of the hose bib. That's just about everything you can do to protect the hose bib and essentially the house from freezing. Some of you might have what's called a PVB valve. Some have this, some don't. It depends on what city you're in and what the codes are. But if you do have one of these, it's important that you winterize this valve as well. And that's super simple. You just simply open up the two pitcock valves on the valve itself, and that'll drain all the water from it. If perhaps your builder has made it to where you could disconnect this with a couple of unions, then I'd recommend you disconnecting it and maybe even storing it in the garage. On Amazon, they sell these insulated bags, and the bag simply just goes over the top, and a lot of them will claim that this can get you down to even 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can do your research. The bags are cheap and they're very simple to use. You just slide it over the top and use some sort of method of attaching the bag to the PVB valve. This is like a little blanket to keep it warm in the winter. All this is pretty simple, but if you have any trouble or any questions, or maybe you just simply can't find something and need somebody to guide you through it, man, give us a call. We'd love to help you. That's what we're here for. We love pools and we love helping customers.
If you found these pool maintenance videos helpful, show some love and hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. That way you won't miss any future videos. Let's make a splash together. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned and keep those pools prestige.